What's up guys, Glenn here. On this video I'll be updating you what is it that I was doing to keep my beard growing because I've been off Minoxidil for a week, man. Let's get to this. Welcome back guys. First of all, I just like to say thank you very much for watching my videos, commenting, liking on the videos, not forgetting those who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that guys. Thank you. If you want to see more of my video, don't forget to subscribe and also share these videos to your friends who want to grow beard using Minoxidil. But now on my last week, which is week 18, I never used Minoxidil because I wanted to get rid of the acne, which is a side effect that I was getting for using Minoxidil. Now I'm gonna wait another week without Minoxidil. But here's the interesting news that I want to tell you guys. I never lost my gains. In fact, my gains, they never stopped. I started to have gains without me applying Minoxidil. So there were three things that I was doing to make sure that I also have my gains. But before I tell you about those three things, let me show you my gains. See guys, I feel like these gains are actually growing. You can leave a comment there guys if you see them or you don't, but I feel like I am seeing them gains. Now before I tell you about those three things, two guys they mentioned that I should use the foam. Now the problem about the foam is that I cannot get hold of it in South Africa, and another thing is very expensive. But now before I finish up this video, let me tell you about three things that I was doing to make sure that I keep on having the gains. This can be an alternative way for you to grow a beard without Minoxidil. Now the first one, not forgetting the beard oil. Now I was using this beard oil of mine that has a Jamaican black castor oil and a peppermint oil. So I have about 10 drops of peppermint oil in here. And secondly, I was doing this. Exactly, I was doing the push-ups, man. Push up now and then. And thirdly, I was taking my supplements, and another thing, I was drinking a lot of water. Now guys, those are the things that I was doing, and since I've been doing those things, I didn't see any loss of my gains. So I'm not so sure whether it's the residual of the Minoxidil in my system or they're actually working. So hence I'm gonna wait another 2 weeks without Minoxidil and see whether these gains are gonna keep on coming. Lastly, I just like to say thank you very much guys for watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Again, don't forget to share these videos to your friends. If you want to see more of my videos, please check out this playlist and one of my videos from my previous week. Thank you very much guys for watching. Until next time, don't forget, Minoxidil is the way.